We started off with an Air Force SBIR. Just leveraged some technology from the geospatial intelligence world. You take a 3D model of the Earth and you take different images and different sets of data and then align the data to a model of the Earth. By having this data aligned to models, put in a spatial database, we enabled the Air Force engineers to do a much better job of understanding and seeing where they're having reoccurring problems.
The SBIR program was really a great way for us to develop this particular technology. We were able to develop this within the confines of a Phase 1, develop something that was commercializable within the Phase 2.
We are in the business to save lives with aviation. It may be something that NLign does is able to prevent a catastrophic failure in the future, and that's what drives us, is knowing that we're helping to save lives and helping to make sure that the warfighter does come home.